Huge news for all you Flipper Zero fans out there. Flipper Zero just released their first major firmware update, version 1.0. It's been in development for 3 years now, and it's packed with new features and improvements. In this video, I'll give you the inside scoop with everything you need to know. All information I'm about to cover comes directly from the official Flipper Zero blog post, which I'll link in the video description. Stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to teach you how to update your firmware so you get access to all these new awesome features. Hi, my name is Kyser. I have over 6 years of experience in cybersecurity, and I currently work as a full-time penetration tester, also known as an ethical hacker. And on this channel, I help you grow your hacking and cybersecurity knowledge. Let's kick things off with one of the biggest updates, dynamic app loading. Previously, adding new features to Flipper Zero meant updating the entire firmware, a process that can be time-consuming and complicated. Now with dynamic app loading, apps can be run directly from the micro SD card as FAP files, short for Flipper Application Package. This frees up space on the system flash memory, making it possible to keep adding features without slowing down the system. Developers have already jumped on this, creating hundreds of community-made apps. The best part, Flipper Zero has introduced the apps catalog, where you can easily find and install these apps grouped into categories like sub-gigahertz, NFC, RFID, and more. No more scouring the internet for apps. They're all in one place, and they're open source thanks to the awesome community. NFC functionality on the Flipper Zero has received a massive upgrade. The NFC subsystem has been completely rewritten, which has resulted in significant improvements in speed and efficiency. The new system is more resource friendly and now supports additional card types like iCode Slicks and Felica Lite S. With these changes, NFC card reading is now 2.7 times faster than before, and you can even edit MeFair Classic dumps directly from your phone using the Flipper mobile app. This is a game changer for anyone working with NFC technology. Another major update is JavaScript support. That's right, you can now develop and run apps on Flipper Zero using JavaScript, one of the most popular programming languages out there. The best part? You don't need a complex development environment on your computer. Just drop your JavaScript files into the scripts folder on the micro SD card and you're good to go. To help get you started, Flipper Zero comes with a few example scripts preloaded. These are great for learning the language syntax and understanding how JavaScript modules work on the device. Firmware 1.0 also brings a host of other general system improvements. Flipper Zero now boasts a battery life up to 1 month in standby mode, a huge upgrade from the previous 1-week limit. Bluetooth data transfer speeds with Android devices have been doubled, and firmware updates now upload 40% faster thanks to the better compression algorithms. These improvements mean that your Flipper Zero will be more efficient and quicker to update, making it easier to stay on top of the latest features. And let's not forget about the sub-gigahertz and infrared updates. Flipper Zero now supports 89 radio protocols in the sub-gigahertz app with the ability to connect an external module for even better range. You can even listen to voice communications over analog walkie-talkies, which is pretty cool if you ask me. And if this video receives over 3,000 views, I will purchase a set of walkie-talkies and I will demonstrate the new stupid feature on this channel. If that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe. And for those of you, like me, using IR remotes, new universal remotes have been added to control everything from TVs to projectors. Plus, external IR modules are now supported, giving you more powerful LED range. And now, as promised, let me show you how to update your Flipper Zero to the latest firmware so you can take advantage of these new features. Step 1, navigate in your web browser to flipperzero.1/update. And you'll see this, and it should automatically detect your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows right now, but if you're using a different one, it should auto-populate. If not, you can click your operating system down here. Once you download and install the QFlipper app and you launch it, you will be greeted with this. It will tell you to connect your Flipper. And once you have your Flipper Zero plugged in, you should see all the information about your Flipper Zero on your screen and your Flipper Zero name. You can also see what's going on in your Flipper Zero right now. So if you click this, you can actually control your Flipper Zero from here. So you can see this is the main menu. But we don't need any of that. To update, it's as simple as pushing this big green update button right here. And then once you click update again. And all you have to do at this point is wait, and after some time, your Flipper Zero will be updated. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the 1.0 firmware. And now that you have your Flipper Zero updated and ready to go, you definitely want to make the most out of your hacking gadget. In order to do that, you have to check out this video where I talk about not 1, not 2, not 3, but 9 practical and fun uses for your Flipper Zero.